Sony Tough G 256GB. The savage, unbreakable SD card that laughs at water, dust and drops. You're out in the wild, shooting that once-in-a-lifetime moment, and your fragile little SD card gets nervous. One splash of water, one grain of dust, one bend, and boom, your priceless footage is toast. Whether you're filming under pouring rain, crawling through desert sand, or diving into urban chaos, regular memory cards just weren't built to roll with your grind. The stakes are high, your gear can't flinch, and those brittle, ribbed, switch-having cards? They're just not it. You're stuck wasting hours babysitting equipment instead of capturing greatness. Sound familiar? Then yeah, you've got a reliability problem screaming for a hero. Let's get real, those epic locations you shoot in? They don't come with climate control or bubble wrap. One drop and your card's done. Dust in the slot? Bye-bye, footage. You've got deadlines tighter than your schedule, and the stress piles up like memory buffer errors. Losing data mid-shoot is more than a hassle, it's a career killer. How many times have you been left praying your backups exist or that data recovery might work this time? You're dodging disasters with luck instead of gear. Professionals shouldn't have to gamble with their best shots. It's not just annoying, it's unmanageable. This is no basic SD card, this is a beast in your pocket. With an insanely durable one-piece mold, this card is 18x stronger than regular SDs. That's not a typo. Toss it, drop it, submerge it, bend it. It won't break. Certified IP68 waterproof or dustproof, with no ribs, no switches, and zero weak points to snap off. It's literally the world's toughest SD card, and it's fast, like 299 megabytes per second write and 300 megabytes per second read, kind of fast. Designed for 4K video, burst photography, and relentless pro workflows, this card doesn't flinch. It just saves every shot. Period. You shoot fast, think fast, work fast, your card should keep up. The Sony Tough G delivers ultra-fast buffer clearing, lightning-speed data transfer, and continuous shooting with zero lag. Say goodbye to dropped frames, corrupted files, or waiting hours to back up. Need reliability? Built-in memory card file rescue has your back. Want peace of mind? Sony's Media Scan utility keeps you one step ahead of failure. This isn't just storage, it's a performance upgrade, a peace-of-mind machine, and your new productivity partner. Plug it in, and feel the confidence flow. It's that smooth. Let's be clear. This memory card is for pros who don't play it safe. If you shoot where others won't, under pressure they can't handle, this card is your wingman. Limited stock. Maximum power. Zero fragility. Whether you're scaling cliffs, racing deadlines, or filming in literal downpours, this is the gear that won't quit when you can't afford to. Stop gambling your art on weak memory. Get the Tough G and shoot with confidence, like a pro, not a paranoid intern. Smash that add to cart button and gear up like you mean business. Because your content deserves the strongest card on earth.